Good morning, everyone. Hi, family. Happy hump day. I am on my way to the office. I just wanted to stop by and say hello to everybody. I haven't talked to you guys in a while, and I missed you. Wanted to wish you all well today. I want everybody to have a blessed and prosperous day. Don't sweat the small stuff. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Hey guys, so I decided to stop by Ross to see if they had anything new out that I could share with you. They had some pretty cool items. I saw some new things, and they had a lot of different little things that you could even gift for the holidays. So, not too bad, not too bad. Let's take a look. These were super cute if you were going for a Christmassy peppermint patty kind of theme. I like these. Super cute. They had a lot of things in that peppermint theme this year. Oh wow, guys, and I've always loved these. I actually should have purchased that, but I probably didn't need it anyway, so. But I love this. Very, very nice. I found these to be super cool too, guys, if you're like redoing your teen's room or they have it in their dorm room or something. Very, very cute. Hey, even if you like them for your wall units or shelves. Nice, nice, nice. And I apologize, guys, if my voice sounds a little raspy. I think it's the change of the weather. I don't know. It's been going in and out. It doesn't hurt or anything, but I noticed the raspiness in it for the last couple of days. So get me a little hot tea and take care of that. And these were great gift ideas as well that you could give to your neighbors or co-workers and things. This was really nice. So they did. They had a lot of different little gift ideas that you can do that's not too costly and definitely appropriate enough to give as a nice gift. And of course, you know you can always find your entertainment servers and things. And they had an abundance of beautiful serving pieces. If you're having a holiday party or, you know, New Year's party, Christmas party, whatever you choose. These were beautiful pieces. I already have some, so I didn't have a need to purchase any more, but these were really, really nice, guys. My son decided to sneak in my video. But this is actually what I was excited to show you all. They had some beautiful stemware that you can use for entertaining. These were pretty. And I really like these gray smoky ones as well. These were nice, guys. And the prices weren't bad at all. Well, you know, you can always pick these types of things up at Ross for reasonable prices. And you can use them all year round. I love these. Absolutely. But I still think my favorite ones were these smoky gray glasses with the gold rims. That was different. Dag, now I'm sorry that I didn't get some of those for myself, but I did pick some up for somebody. These are really pretty. They really are. These were another one of my favorites because you can use these for dessert glasses and everything like that. These were pretty. Fancy cocktails, fancy. Really pretty, guys. Yeah, these are beautiful, and the price was incredible. Now, guys, these were absolutely gorgeous. They were showstoppers. A little pricey, but they were nice and heavy, and that emerald green, these were beautiful. Oh yeah. So as you can see, guys, they had lots of things that you can make a lovely table setting for the holiday. These were really nice pieces. I know some of you probably already have some of these things, but this is what they had in stock, and they were putting things out as I was looking around as well. But you definitely can do your thing for your holiday setups. And guys, as you know, we like to decorate all parts of our home for the holidays. And these bathroom towels, they were really, really cute. So you could put these in your guest bath, even a main bathroom if you wanted to. These were adorable. These would make good gifts as well, guys. It's giving me an idea. Aw, and how cute is this? Oh, the candy canes and peppermint. I told you that's really, really popular this season. This is a cute theme. I really like it. This is adorable. I don't know, guys. I was thinking I may have to incorporate some of this peppermint theme. Maybe we can do this in the family room. The kids would really like this. And these little guys was fabulous. Look at this. They were super cute. Oh, and look, guys, this reminds you of the throw. But this is actually a tree skirt. Nice. This was beautiful. They had stockings to match this as well. Really nice. How many people still use their tree skirts? I have a few. But I also like the snowy look, so I get big throw blankets as well that you can wrap around your tree. But these are nice. I like them. I like them. These were super nice as well, guys. If you're going for that natural wood element, you remember that wood entertainment. Yeah, these are really, really nice. And if you haven't checked out that video, I suggest you go back and watch it. See, guys, I keep telling you, it's something about this peppermint theme that's becoming a hit for this year. Also, while I was looking at this, I ran into a lovely, nice lady in the store, and she became a new subscriber. Her name is Natasha. And Natasha, if you're watching, hey girl. Thanks for subscribing and welcome to the family. Aw, I definitely have a plan for these. Too cute. And Mr. Gingerbread Man was absolutely adorable. And guys, these little black and gold wooden soldiers and trees was definitely a vibe. And these would be super duper cute next to a fireplace or inside the insert. Who's ready for Santa to come down that chimney? So, okay guys, that is it. That is all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video of this quick little outing, and I'll see you soon.